Which slat flattening router bit is actually worth your time? It's a straightforward question, but the options can be overwhelming. Today, we're digging into the top 5 to help you find the right fit. Product number 1, BINSDAK4 Wing Router Bit. First up is the BINSDAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Priced at $21.77, this bit immediately caught my eye with its bestseller badge. If you want consistent, high-quality cuts for your woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. The high-quality carbide tip ensures sharpness and durability, while the anti-kickback design offers added safety during use. With over 4,100 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, it's clear that many woodworkers trust this product. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on various wood types from MDF to laminate, this bit handles it all and saves you time by avoiding frequent replacements. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working on smaller slabs or projects, it's not a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option for anyone looking for reliability and performance. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or professional woodworker on a budget. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cuts for large surfaces. Overall, for under $22, it offers great value for money. Now, if the cutting length of the BINSDAK4 wing bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BINSDAK3 Wing Router Bit. Next, we have the BINSDAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit, priced at $17.77. This one also caught my attention thanks to its impressive specs and similar ratings. If budget is a key factor for you, this is definitely worth a look. With a 2-inch cutting diameter and a cutting length of 0.5 inches, this bit provides a solid solution for flattening wood slabs. The carbide tip is designed for longevity, and the heat-resistant Teflon coating minimizes resin buildup, making your cleaning process much easier. With 4,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's popular among woodworkers. Here's why this matters. You want a tool that not only performs well but also lasts longer. This one fits the bill with its durable design. Here's the thing, if you're primarily using softer materials, this shouldn't be an issue at all. It still delivers great results for a variety of wood types. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in woodworking or need a reliable option for everyday use. Skip this one if you're focused on industrial-level demands. At under $18, it's hard to beat the value it brings to your toolkit. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for higher efficiency. Product number 3, BINSDAK6 Wing Router Bit. Now let's talk about the BINSDAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit, which comes in at $60.99. This one is a bit pricier, but it also offers some impressive features that caught my eye. If you're serious about woodworking, this is worth considering. With a 2-inch cutting diameter and 6 cutting blades, this bit is designed for efficiency and precision. The TN-coated carbide inserts provide up to 2.5 times longer life compared to uncoated bits, which means less downtime for replacements. The anti-kickback design enhances safety, and it's compatible with various types of wood. This matters because if you're investing in a tool, you want one that truly lasts and performs well across different materials. However, some reviews pointed out that the price might be a bit steep for casual woodworkers. But here's the thing, if you're a frequent user or a professional, the cost is justified by the longevity and effectiveness of the bit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performance tool that can handle serious jobs. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional projects at home. It's an investment, but a smart one for dedicated woodworkers. Now, if the price of the BINSDAK6 Wing Bit gives you pause, the next product has a more budget-friendly option without compromising too much on quality. Product number 4, BINSDAK 1.5-inch Router Bit. Next on the list is the BINSDAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit with a larger 1.5-inch cutting diameter, priced at $19.99. This caught my eye because it combines a decent size with an attractive price point. If you want larger cuts without breaking the bank, this is your go-to. This bit features a carbide tip design that's built to withstand regular use. The 1.5-inch cutting diameter allows for more substantial cuts in one pass, which is perfect for flattening larger slabs efficiently. With a 4.5-star rating from 3,700 reviews, it's clearly making an impression. Here's why this matters for you. If you often work with bigger projects, this bit can save you significant time. However, some users have indicated that it might struggle on particularly hard woods. Here's the thing, you might want to have another option for those tougher materials, but for most applications, it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you often work with larger pieces of wood and need a reliable bit. Skip this one if you only deal with smaller projects or very dense materials. At $19.99, it's a solid investment for a larger cutting tool. Now, if you're looking for something even more specialized, the next option is geared towards those who need versatility. Product number 5, BINSDAK 138-inch router bit. Lastly, we have the BINSDAK CNC spoilboard surfacing router bit with a 138-inch cutting diameter, priced at $46.99. This bit caught my attention due to its unique design aimed at achieving a smoother finish. If surface quality is your top priority, this one is worth considering. The solid carbide inserts are replaceable, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. The anti-kickback design ensures safe operation, which is crucial for users concerned about safety. Here's why this matters. If you're after professional-grade finishes on your woodworking projects, this bit helps you achieve that level of quality. However, some users have mentioned that the price might not be justified for casual projects. Here's the thing, if you're serious about woodworking and want that extra level of finish, it's worth it. But if you're just starting out, you may not need this level of precision. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist looking for a tool to elevate your work. Skip this one if you're just doing simple projects around the house. It's a valuable tool for those who really care about their finishes. In conclusion, we've explored a range of slat flattening router bits from BINSDAK, each with its unique strengths. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or premium quality, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to choose the one that fits your needs best.